This is the 2026 Hyundai Palisade, and if you're wondering how to use the child safety locks and you're going to the area where so many people are used to seeing them, which would be right here on the doors, they would be on the passenger and driver side rear doors. Well, that's not actually where you do this. In fact, let me go ahead and show you that they are not active right now. I'm going to just reach over here and open that door so you can see when I go back to open that door again in just a few seconds, it's not going to open. And you'll notice that I pushed that button right there. I'll let you see what's on there. You can see the window and the door lock, and hopefully you can see that it is illuminated. That light right there is illuminated. So let's go back to the back seat now, and I will show you that the child safety locks have now been activated, and it does at the same time lock the windows. So you can see that now I can't open that. So if you're wondering about the child safety locks and how to use those in the 2026 Hyundai Palisade, there is your answer. If there's a tutorial you want to see on the Palisade or anything else, tell me down in the comments section and I'll make it happen for you. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see you next time.